High inflation and costly crude has led to a steep fall in the value of currencies worldwide in comparison to the US dollar, making foreign expenses denominated in greenback costlier, but giving benefits to inward remittances and export-based trades. India's rupee hits a record low of 78.29 versus the dollar in early trade today. Weak global sentiment is another reason behind weak Asian and European currencies, but traders are now awaiting action by the Indian Central Bank, RBI, over the next few days. The central bank's efforts to raise interest rates to curtail inflation will remain in focus this week. The Federal Reserve and the Bank of England are expected to raise rates at their meeting, and there is a chance the Swiss National Bank will do the same. Japan's currency, the yen, also tumbled to its lowest against the dollar in 24 years today, as the gap between Japanese and US benchmark yields widened after red-hot US inflation data drove US Treasury yields higher. The dollar rose as high as 135.22 yen, and it's the highest since October 1998, having gained for each of the past 7 sessions as the policy divergence between hawkish central banks overseas and the dovish Bank of Japan becomes ever more apparent. US inflation beat expectations on Friday, driving bets that the Fed will have to raise rates even more aggressively. The UK's pound sterling fell against the dollar today after data showed Britain's economy unexpectedly shrank in April, fueling uncertainty over how fast the Bank of England can hike interest rates to tame inflation without further hurting growth. The pound was down 0.58% to $1.2247, its lowest level since May 16th, after having already suffered 2 straight weeks of losses. Strong US inflation data boosted the greenback and expectations of monetary tightening by the US Federal Reserve.